What's going on, guys? It is CA Hit Hunter, and I'm going to be bringing you guys our very first video. We are going to be doing a Whatnot unboxing and some card pulls. And without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to start with some packs that were already open on live stream, but I have forgotten what exactly is in here. So we're going to be going through those, and then we'll do some unopened card rips. So you got the Zach Ertz, Sam Bradford, Montez Sweat, Raheem Mostert. That's a nice car. It's a nice card. Daniel Carlson, Anthony Gold, Keon Coleman, rookie card, Chris Jenkins, Jatavion Sanders. It's a good pull too. Ooh, this is a nice Brock Bowers pink. It's a nice card. All right. Jerry Jeudy, Kyle Pitts, Dallas Goedert. I'm going to keep them all mixed for now, and then at the end I'll go through them and separate them. So that was one of the first packs. This is all from Whatnot, and the people who I bought it from was Hobbybox New York, and these cards are from Hobbybox Florida, which I opened 2 days ago. We got a Stargazing Jaden Daniels, Silver Jokic, and a Wemby card, and another pure Jokic. So we got some rookies. Nice Pacheco. A green JJ. That's a nice card. And nice. Actually, I'm going to put the cards that have sleeves on this side. All right, let's go to the next one. And just to let you guys know, I'm just getting started. So if I say something wrong or I see something that I miss, I'm going to go back through and check all these when I'm done. Ooh. That is a nice card. Jaden Daniels. Introductions. We got a Silver Lad. We got Jacob Cowing. Chris Jenkins. And it looks like the rest are going to be base. Yep. Okay, next pack. That was a good one. That's a nice Jaden card. Want to keep pulling him. He's always a good card to get. I've been seeing on videos. Been watching a ton of videos of unboxings and people ripping. So let's keep going. Baron Murphy, Mike Quick, Christian Kirk, Jalen Waddle, Jacob Cowling rookie card, another one. It's a nice one. And a Caleb Williams prismatic rookie card. That is what we like to see right there. We're doing pretty good on the quarterbacks. We got Jaden Daniels, Caleb Williams, JJ McCarthy. Need some Drake Mays. I'm sorry, what am I doing? Okay. That is a nice card. Tyquan Lewis, Derrick Henry, Michael Pratt, rookie card. It's a nice one. CJ Stroud, AJ Terrell, and a Jamar. It's got a cool shadow on the back. I don't know if you guys can see that. I think that's all of them. Yeah. These are cool cards. So it's going to be a mix between mainly Prism. I think I have some Mosaic and Absolute was the packs I was buying. I think we have some basketball in here too. So let's keep going. Come on. Doesn't want to come out. Nice. Sorry, trying to clean up my mess a little bit. Okay. So we got Tyler Conklin, Aaron Jones, Andre Ware. We got Willie Gay Jr. We got Christian McCaffrey, Chris Jones, and we got Terrell Suggs. Now, what's the black and white? I do not remember. Black and white Garrett Wilson. It's a nice checker. That's a nice card. I remember doing pretty well watching the live stream, so we have some good cards in here. This was like a week ago when I won these, so it took about a week to arrive. Although it was shipped out pretty fast, so it's not any fault of the sellers. Got a Ricky Purcell rookie card. Johnny Wilson. So nice. Put those there. I think the rest is base. Some rookies. Dallas Turner. And Adisa Isaac. Should be splitting these up more, but it's okay. I saw this numbered Jordan Love. It's a nice card. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. Numbered to 299. All right, sorry about that, guys. Okay, we got that 299. Where did my stat go? Okay, got Jordan Travis rookie, Michael Hall Jr. Yeah, I think the rest are base. Those over here. All these are going to be upside down. Nice. All just base. I like how the colors pretty cool. Put these here. Not there. Yeah, we'll put it here. Okay, next. This is a nice card. Ennis Rumstraw Jr. rookie card. It's a nice one. Theo Johnson. Jazon Newton. Estime. Hampton and base. Nice cards. Let's keep going. We are flying through these packs. Okay. Got a Matt LaFleur, Jonathan Stewart, Patrick Surtain, Wes Welker, George Pickens, Stafford, Michael Wilson, and then Estime. That's a nice rookie. Perfect. It's always good to hold on to rookie cards because you never know if people get good, or you never know what could happen, especially with quarterbacks, backup quarterbacks. You know, a lot of people count them out with their second or third string, but there's a lot of people who have proven that they're still able to play and play at a high level. So we got Myles Garrett. We got Lassiter. Browlin, red, white, and blue rookie card. That's a nice one. Kyle Mitchell. Blankenship. Bobby Wagner, Phil Simms, Derrick Henry, Juju, Bo Jackson, Kyle Hamilton, James Lofton, red, white, and blue, Jordan Love, hype, and the fireworks, Derek Carr. I like these inserts, I think, the most. They're pretty cool. Put these here. And let's go to the next one. And I do have to say these were all shipped really well, all packaged very well too. And they all came individually packed in these little card savers. Okay, let's see. So we got LaFayette, ooh, green Drake May. Look at that right there. That's a nice card. Emergent. The Patriots are my favorite team, so love to see Drake May hits. A McMillan. That's another good card. Okay. Mike Ostov, Terry McLaurin, Micah Parsons, Moore, Joe Mixon, Cooper Kupp, and Mohammed. Jason Witten, red, white, and blue. It's a good one. Kyron, Arrington, and the prismatic Macshawn Lloyd. Rookie card, prismatic. Another prismatic rookie. So let's do this. I'm gonna put these separate. I'm gonna try and start separating them now. And then let's go to the next one. All right, so we got Devin Singletary, Javon Holland, Michael Pittman, Muhammad again, Fred Warner, John Jefferson, Prism Break, Keenan Allen. That's a nice one. And a Toby Franklin rookie card. This is a nice Prism Break right there. Look at that. Nice. Keep the Bears going too. We love Caleb. Get all the Caleb cards we can get. And Jaden Daniels and Drake May and McCarthy. All the quarterbacks. I do like the receivers too. Ladd. I think there's who else? Marvin Harrison. Okay, let's see. Harrison Buckner. Okay. Jacob Cowing rookie card again. A Jordan Love base. Or are these silvers? These can never tell. I believe they're base, but they could be silver. All right, and then we got a Braylon Allen, a rookie card Jalen Daniels, and a Ladd Green Ice rookie card. And got the Jaden Daniels. Yeah, both cards. We got all those. Getting a lot of quarterbacks. A lot of the key rookies that we want to see we have. And we want to keep that luck going. And like I said, if I miss anything, please just let me know in the comments. This is probably one of my first pools / going over. that I've done where I haven't been able to look stuff up as I go through. And so I think this is going to be all base. Okay. Put that to the side. There were some of them that I had that were all base, nothing really going on in the packs. And some of them I did get lucky. So let's keep going. Zaire Franklin. Boomer. Jalen Wright. Joe. Cooper Kupp again. Kid Reporter. Chris Jenkins. A green Chris Olave. And a silver Drew Brees. Those are nice. Hell yeah, let's keep going. We have about 7 of these packs left, and then some basketball, and then we will get into card rips. So let's keep going. Okay, hold on. Sorry, that's just an awkward angle. All right. A Sweat rookie card. Marvin Mims. I think these are all base. We have a Marv Levy silver coach card and a prismatic Brock Bowers rookie card right there. Wow. That is nice. A lot of hits in these. It's getting really lucky on those whatnot streams. Let's keep going. I remember some of these cards and most of these I do not. The basketball I don't really remember at all. So we got a lot of base. Silver Mike, green, red, white, and blue, Garrett Wilson, a hype Travis Kelce, Marcus Allen, red, white, and blue, a Marv Levy, red, white, and blue now. And we got a Fireworks rookie card of Marvin Harrison Jr. That is a nice card. Look at that. We will keep that going. We love to see those ones. Let me put these out to the side. Sorry about this, guys. Get the next pack ready. And we got another Revolution pack that was in that one. I'm guessing because this is all base. And no, they don't have to do that. Ooh, Barry Sanders. That's cool. I like pulling the old players. They don't have to do that, and they don't do it every time. I think sometimes if you've been buying a lot, they'll throw it in. Pretty much a seller discretion, it seems like. All right, let's keep going. I think this is all base. A green ice Terrell Davis. And a black and white checkered Terrell Suggs. Look at that. Check that out. That is a nice card. Very nice over here. Not many rookies in that one. Did get some nice hits. Can't complain with any of these cards. This has been a blast to try and get into. There's so many different parallels and everything that it's been difficult to try and learn it, but I figured the best way to learn it is to do it. So here we are, opening all these packs. Boom, boom, base. And we got a silver Pacheco and a checkerboard Devin Cheney. A chain. Nice cards. Cool. Let's keep going. So that is going to be it, I believe, for football. No, I lied. Okay. I don't remember what these packs were. We'll see. No, these are all Prism. Okay, Eric Campbell. Okay, I think base. And a Jaden Hicks. That's nice. Rookie card. Okay. And I think this is our last football. And then we have basketball. And then we have those packs to open. Boom. A Terrion Arnold. A Green Ice Bo Jackson. And I believe base after that. Yep. That's nice. All right. Okay. Let's do this. If you know Hobby Box, they do these huge swatch boxes. And this is the one that I got. Karl Malone. And it's game used. Yep, see right there. And then I thought this is pretty cool. It's definitely a cool thing to have in the collection. I like these cards. There's some cool ones I've seen on there. I've seen football, baseball, pretty much everything you could think of. Sports. Actually, I think just those three mainly. Okay, now on to basketball. Ooh, a Jarace Walker. That's nice right there. Ooh. Derek Lively II. Scotty Barnes, Bradley Beal, Brandon Roy, Ray Allen, Anthony Davis, and Tyrese. That's cool. Boom. All right, next pack. Oh, sorry, guys. Hold on. Look at this. An autographed AJ Green. That is nice. Phoenix. Really nice card. Mike Conley. Jaime Aquaz rookie. Jalen Pickett. Conley again. Isaiah Thomas. Quentin Grimes. And Daniel Gafford. This one here. Sorry, I'm trying to keep basketball separate. All right, we got a Max Struss right here. That is a nice card. We got a Steph Curry fade to black. And some rookies. Prince, LeBron James. Pretty cool. Black. Gotta check that card. Steph Curry is amazing though, so. All right, so that's about it for those. let me get everything cleaned up, and then we will start ripping packs. All right, guys, we're back. I want to start with these prestige. Sorry about that. All right. I've seen that you can get anything in these, basically. Rookie cards, autographs, a lot of inserts. So I think mainly these are going to be base. We'll put base over here. Yep. A lot of base in these packs. Nice Kamara. I like how these look. Antonio Gibson. Nice. Okay, I believe, let's see, Parsons. Let's see what this is. That's nice. You can get numbered in this, but I've heard it's really rare. So let's see. George Pickens. Trying to not show the card behind, but it's okay. Extra points, George Pickens. Any given Sunday, Patrick Mahomes. Gotta love that. For the record, CJ Stroud. Alma Matters. Ooh, it's a 3. Tight ends. That's nice. Non-numbered. And a powerhouse Najee. That is a nice insert. Put inserts over here. We actually got no rookies in there. All right, let's go next one. Oh, let's put that over there. And base. Fix all these right side up. All base. Lots of the same team. Taysom. And okay, keep going. Juju. Floyd. Jatavion Sanders. Rookie card. Actually, these are all rookie cards. I don't know why I didn't see that little badge to go through. I don't think we got any of the. Oh, we did in the last pack. We did. Okay, so let's keep going. Latu. Okay, a Buckner. Let's see. Ooh, nice extra points. And let's see, another Persol rookie card. That's a nice one. And we got a time-stamped. Who is this? Jack Jones. That is a cool one. With the date, fourth quarter, and it's the player. We got prestigious pros, Jared Goff. All Matters. And we got franchise favorite, Dwight Freeney. Perfect. Let's keep going. I've seen some crazy case hits in these, and let's hope that we can pull one. Even if we don't, not a problem. Always just ripping for fun. So let's keep going till we hit rookies. It's all base. All base still. Does it not flip back setup? Of course it does. Next card. All right, and of course, there we go. Will Shipley. Nice. Michael Pratt. Okay, here we go. Singleton. It's nice. Here we go. Rashad White. It's a nice card. Any Given Sunday. It's nice. AJ Brown. Oh, Lenny Moore for the record. And Prestigious Pros. Amon-Ra. And Youth Movement. Jahmyr Gibbs. Pretty nice. So we got some nice inserts in there. I've seen autographs. I've seen, I think it's called Nuclear is the one. I've seen someone get Bo Nix. Okay, let's switch it up. Let's do NIL. So, let's see. Brian Robinson Jr. That's a nice card. I believe this is a Spencer Rattler. Yep. That's a nice card too. Raheem Jarrett. Sam Ward. Kyler Gordon. Chris Olave. Mekeel Wright. And Josh Ali. Those are nice cards. This one, Spencer Rattler, is really nice. These two, I got to check what these are, because they look different from the base cards. So those are nice. I'll put those to the side. Put these over here. What should be next? Let's do a Mosaic. We want any rookie parallels is what we're chasing. Got a Kirk Cousins, George Kalafalakis, Earl Campbell, Hall of Fame, Andre Johnson, NFLW, Jalen Wright, and we got a Fred Warner. That's nice. Let's put this here. Fred Warner. And we got a Joe Milton III. This is what I mean by these backups. He could easily get traded to a team that needs him and do really well. So never sleep on anybody who you think could just be a dud if they're a rookie. Give him time. And we got a Variety Jaden Daniels. Variety. That is nice right there. And we got a Rome Odunze too. Look at that. Notoriety. It's pretty cool. We got pink prisms. Not pink prism, pink. Jalen Thompson. Dexter Jackson. And Sweat. Oh, that's pretty funny. We got the parallel and the base. And Jordan Travis. And those are our rookies. Let's put this one here. His base rookie here. Kid Reporter. Let's put these here. as well. All right, let's go another mosaic. Point lots of jade, and some people it's hard to get. Seem like so. It's always a good thing. I'll take that any day. Alex Singleton, Jalen Waddle, Nick Bosa, a JJ McCarthy, NFL debut. All right, this is perfect. That's a nice card. John Lynch, and we got a Dallas Turner rookie card, green. That is a nice card. Let's put this to the side. And we got a Tyler Lockett. And it's nice. An epic performer, Derrick Henry. Ooh. A Elevate Jamar. That's a nice card. And then we got Trey Hendrickson, Harry Carson, Terrion Arnold rookie card, Ronald Wilson, Estime, Mitchell, and the Michael Penix Jr. That's a good one too. All right. Nice cards. Getting some nice cards. So let's put those here. And let's get to the next pack. Okay, let's throw that over there. Josh Downs, Darius Slayton, Quentin Johnson, Ed Reed, Hall of Fame, Witherspoon, Christian Gonzalez, Gonzo card, green. That's a nice card. And a rookie. Okay, let's. Cooper DeJean. It's nice. I'm trying to put this where we could put this. Christian McCaffrey. Notoriety. And a Breece Hall. Oh, running backs back to back. Josh Allen. Terry McLaurin. Give me Jaden Daniels. Oh, a nice lad. Look at that. That is a nice lad right there. We've had some nice, good lad pools. Michael Hall Jr., Luke McCaffrey. Got the two brothers in the same pack. Those are cool. Okay, perfect. What's next? Let's do a vintage. So I think I've seen autographs you can get. We will see what we pull. All right. Ali Jennings, Ethan Burke, Jacob Parrish, CJ Baxter, and Skylar Bell. Pretty nice. I believe this is all base. Not too sure though. Put that over there. Okay, let's do a revolution and then a wild card and then a revolution and then the wild card. Okay, I'm already opening to something crazy. Okay, we got Derek Lively II. Oh, that's a nice card. Snow card. And a rookie. Rookie Snow. Perfect. Devin Booker. And we got, I'm sorry, PJ Washington Jr. Is that the base card in this? Revolution Devin Booker. Sorry, I'm not good with basketball cards at all. We got Andrew Wiggins and Jalen Duran. I'm going to put all these off to the side because I want to check them after this video. Those are cool cards. Holiday. It's like a holiday set. Okay, let's see. So we got a Kamara, a Thompson rookie card, a Giddey, a Levine, and a Brogdon. And I just realized I was supposed to go 1-1, but that didn't happen. So now wild card, last packs. So far, I think we did pretty good with everything. Let's see what we pull in here. We got Sage Surratt, Hunter Long, Felipe Franks, Trey Sermon, Javon Holland, Elijah Moore, Trey Lance, and Jeremiah. This is a cool card. Oh, so these are 2021 rookie cards. I mean, wild card. Okay, I'll put these off to the side too. And the last pack. Thank you guys for sticking to the end of this video. I know it's a long one. It's the first one. It's probably going to be my worst one, but I hope to get better from here and become more knowledgeable about everything and, you know, do some cool stuff in the future. So we got a Javon Holland. Ooh, two. Both different parallels. That's cool. I'll put that to the side. A Jalen Waddle. That's a nice. A Trey Sermon. Michael Carter. Hunter Long. Amiri Rogers. And Elijah Mitchell. Those are really nice. Cool looking cards. Perfect. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I'm going to play some highlights at the end. And we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.